In this video, we are going to talk about 10 legit ways how you can make money and passive income online. So before starting this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's face the truth. Making money online these days isn't easy. With so much competition and so many individuals and stories competing for our attention, finding credible outlets to produce some kind of income through the internet has become an increasingly difficult task. It isn't easy by any means. Anyone who tells you otherwise isn't telling you the truth. Before you can start getting rich from your online business, you'll need to put in a lot of time and effort to establish your authority. However, there are a few simple methods for making a decent amount of money quickly. Here are 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. Let's get started. Number 10. Write and sell an ebook. Consider writing an ebook if you truly have a passion for writing. Although the market has become crowded in recent years, books that help people learn about a technical subject and can continue to sell well. This is an excellent source of passive income, but it does necessitate a significant amount of initial effort before any money is raised. Not the best writer on the planet? Don't worry. You can easily hire a ghostwriter from freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Then you'll be able to sell your ebooks via Amazon's Kindle program or Apple's iTunes Connect, both of which provide you with access to the vast majority of the digital book reading market, and have extremely low entry barriers. You don't need to spend a lot of money to do this, but you will need to devote a lot of time, not just to writing the ebooks but also to selling them. Number 9. Create an Instagram page and get paid with sponsored posts. If you love Instagram, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help you skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, fashion, beauty, or home decor, you can create an Instagram page for it. The key is to find a committed audience. To get a lot of followers on Instagram, it's important to be consistent when posting. So be sure to stick to one niche so that people who follow you can count on you to deliver more content just like that. Be sure to add your email address in your bio. As your account starts to grow, so will sponsored posts requests, allowing you to make money on Instagram. The more Instagram engagement your posts get, the more people will reach out to you, so be sure to create engaging content. Number 8. Create an app. Yes, this is a lot more complicated. This will be a significant undertaking unless you have the necessary app development skills. When done correctly, however, apps can be a great source of passive income. By creating a great app, you can attract a large number of mobile users. To make money, you can go about it in two ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads. If you're not a developer, you can always source one from one of the freelance sites we mentioned before. Number 7. Use Mechanical Turk. Amazon's version of microwork is Mechanical Turk. They're called HITs, or human intelligence tasks, and they're small jobs that you can perform for other people. These are extremely easy tasks that anyone can complete. For 1 cent, you could list a few URLs with specific types of pictures, or for 6 cents, you could record a few phrases with a microphone. Yes, they aren't particularly lucrative, but if you string together hundreds of high-paying hits, you can make some fast cash online if you're in a pinch. It's also worth noting that you can hire people with hits to assist you with any micro tasks you might have. Number 6. Offer gigs on Fiverr. Remember when we mentioned Fiverr as one of the most used freelance websites? You could give gigs on Fiverr starting at $5 a job, if you have technical experience in graphic design, accounting, social media marketing, web creation, or SEO training, for example. You could have a valuable service that you could upsell to increase the amount of money you make per gig. Fiverr is one of the most popular gig economy platforms on the internet, and you can use it to sell a wide range of services and goods. Do your homework and figure out what you have to sell. However, bear in mind that, as with any other money-making endeavor, success takes time. And positive feedback will help you earn more and more money over time. Number 5. Sell professional services on Upwork or 99 Designs. Upwork and 99 Designs are two of the most common platforms for selling virtually any professional service. If you have a lot of experience in a particular sector, you should think about selling your services on one of these pages. 99 Designs is just for graphic design, while Upwork is for almost every other technical service. However, as with everything, the beginning will be challenging. It would be difficult to find work on one of these highly competitive sites, unless you have a significant track record and extensive feedback. Find the most influential people in your field, and strive to emulate their approach and online presence. Number 4. Run a blog. Building a blog is one of the most time-consuming tasks when it comes to making money online. However, we all know how difficult it is to create a blog with a genuine following. It necessitates a significant amount of effort. And I speak from personal experience. However, once you pass a certain stage, the momentum and success shift in your direction, making it much simpler. When done correctly, blogs can easily produce tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. That much is true. However, getting there will not be easy. However, a year from now, you'll wish you had begun right away. But why wait any longer? Number 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is unquestionably the way to go for anyone serious about making money online. However, it must be done correctly. Be sure that the people on your email list have subscribed and opted in directly to you before you begin to advertise to them. You won't have as much success if you try to sell to people via email out of the blue. Your success rates would be much higher if those email subscribers are consciously and keenly involved in what you have to say and signed up directly through your blog or site. Number 2. Rent your home on Airbnb. You can rent a home on Airbnb or even only a single room on the platform. It is rather straightforward and steady short-term, but it is very effective for the money you may make. Also, if you live in a sought-after location, you have excellent opportunities ahead of you. Did you know that there are people making as much as $10,000 a month by renting their homes on Airbnb? That's very impressive. Number 1. Sell photos online. If you enjoy photography and have a collection of nice images, you may want to consider selling them on sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto, two of the most popular photo marketplaces online. It doesn't take much time to do this, but it does necessitate imagination and perseverance. When it comes to selling pictures online, there's a lot of competition, but it's also a perfect way to earn money in the long run. If you can license your pictures or sell them as stock photography, you won't have to do any more work to make money from the sale, once they're up on the internet. Simply collect your funds. What do you think of our list? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos from Word of Wisdom, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.